omukoro gwokusima no kwijuka omugenzi Reverend Elias Serwadda gwayebemberwa mukuru w'ekanisa ya Uganda the Most Reverend Stephen Kazimba Mugaru kandi wabashagatirwe Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda wahumwire the Most Reverend Henry Lukolombi n'aba bishops abahure bakuru b'amadini ku rw'omyanya etari emwe n'emwe abebembezi kandi n'abandi bantu baburijo.
Reconciliation, because this is our country. Love should be the language we speak everywhere. Don't be diverted by other things. Let it be tribe, maybe region, maybe politics, because this one loves a different color. All these things should be put aside. Love should be promoted. I think that's the message I want to pray that we promote. So thank you so much. Love one another and take care of one another.
Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda wahumwile the Most Reverend Dr. Luke Olombi niwe yarisa abantu ekigambo kya Ruhanga kandi oguyasima kano Idris Nakarema abo kukunda ekanisa nk'omwana w'omuburizi.
There is love which gives here in this place.
Omuli kumwanya hariho urukundo erikuhereza.
Father's wish was that a building called a church should be erected.
Reverend Serwadda akagira ekyetengo kugira ngu ekanisa mpango yombekwe.
And we have honored his words.
Kandi ekigambo ekyo mwebale
We are watching at the building up here.
hati ekyombeko kikyo mu kirere.
Why?
Aweki
We are acting out of love and memory of a great man.
Royo, his wife, Medris Ndonji, in sickness and healthy. Bayogeranga ku mukyala w'oyo n'amaziga gajjanga olw'omukwano gwe yalina kubanga y'omukyala yasigala eno ye ng'akola mu Central Buganda. As a married person, loyal to his wife, Medris Ndonji, in sickness and health. As a parent, Reverend Serwadda loved his children equally.
Omugenzi Reverend Elias Serwadda akaba ari ishe wa kano Idris Nakarema kandi ogwo akahereza nk'omubuurizi omu kanisa ya Uganda okumara emyaka 45 niko kwija kujwe ko bwahure omu Buganda.
Because he loved and he used to say, my children, serve God with one heart and God will make you sit and dine with kings and queens. And we have seen it. We have seen it. God received our parents, God and Mama, will come the president in their home, in their house here. That was July 2014.
Abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe bahika kushaba oku.
Nkabanywani kandi mama ninja kugira kwire mvuganyija kutayire tweganire abantu batariho tutari mu kabuyo kindi tweganire ndamanya bakikuraga babice akashera kenshi.
Habaho no kubyari bare akanisa yabeka yo mugenzi Reverend Elias Serwadda bariyo nibombeka nkakamanyiso ko kwijukishe. Ndi Evans Tarema ahabwa TV West omureka shari Mbarara.